equation says in the diagram below, MNPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral with MQ is a diameter. Meaning that this side of it is half of a semicircle, this side of a semicircle, half a circle. Angle NMQ is 50 degrees. Line MN is equal to line PN. Line MN is equal to PN. MN equal to PN is telling us that triangle PNM is an isosceles triangle. You know what I mean by isosceles triangle? The base angles are equal. Then find the value of angle MNP. Let's find this, which is equal to x, and angle POQ, which is y. So let's do justice to it. Let's solve. Solution. OM is equal to OP, which is equal to OQ. They are, because they are what? They are radial. They are all equal. Then angle MPQ at P is equal to 90 degrees. Why is 90? Because this is a radius. You know, some of angle at a point next to the circle is 360. Then this is a radius, this is half a circle. So angle facing half a circle is 90. Because this angle is at the circumference. The center here is 180. I'm going to explain that. So angle at the center is not about the circumference. Or angle at the circumference. Angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center. But you are going to use this equals to 90, angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Let's write this formula. It's 90 degrees. So if here is 90. So note that we are told that MNPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle MMQ plus angle NPQ is equals to 180 degrees. Reason: opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. And this is already 50. So now I have 50 plus NPQ is equal to 180. That means this implies NPQ at P is equals to, if we do our 180 minus 50 will give us 130 degrees. And remember, we already established that this is 90. So if this is 90, that means angle, therefore angle NPM plus angle MPQ is equal to 130. That is it, because it's equal to this angle NPQ. And this is 90, therefore angle NP, our NPM will now be equals to 130 minus 90, which will give us 40 degrees. So this angle is 40 degrees. NP equals to 40 degrees. So NMP, angle NMP is equals to angle NPM, which is equal to 40 degrees. What is our reason? Because they are base angles of isosceles triangle. They are base angles of isosceles triangle. Therefore, here, this angle here is 40 degrees. That means here will be what? 10 degrees. Good. So if here is 10 degrees, then angle, you see our angle here. We can easily get our angle MNP. Therefore, angle MNP at N is equals to 180 minus 40 minus 40. What is our reason? Sum of angles in triangle MNP. So if the sum of angles, this plus this equals to 180, then this will now give us 180 minus this. Therefore, MNP at N is equal to X, which is equals to 100 degrees. Now that we know that our angle PMO is 10 degrees. Our PMQ is equal to 10 degrees and is equal to MPO. MPO at P at M. Why are they equal? Because the line OP is radius and OM is also radius. Therefore, triangle OPM or OMP is an isosceles triangle. They are equal because they are base angles of isosceles triangle. And what is isosceles triangle? OMP. Here we talk about isosceles triangle MNP. Isosceles triangle MNP. Okay, good. Then if here is 10, that means this angle is 10. What I established before. Therefore, this our angle that here is 90 before this angle MPQ is 90. If here is 10, that means OPQ is equals to 80 degrees. So if our OPQ is 80, therefore PQO at Q is equals to OPQ at P, which is equals to 80. Reason, because they are base angles of isosceles triangle. What is triangle? OPQ. Yeah, in order to find our y, therefore y plus 80, because we have established that here is 80, we have established that here is 80 plus 80 is equals to 180. Sum of angles in triangle POQ. Therefore, our y is equals to 180 minus 80 minus 80, which will give us what? Equals 20 degrees. Although we are done with this, but there's another alternative way of getting our angle y without going through this process. What is the alternative way? Because our angle PMQ Q is 10 degrees and it's our circumference. And our angle POQ will be equals to 2 times 10 degrees, which will give us 20 degrees. This alternative method. What is our reason for this? Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So good knowledge of circuit geometry, of the theories in circuit geometry is necessary in solving problems in circuit geometry. So follow this page to learn more on this topic. Thank you for watching.